Hey plant lover, how you doing? We're extracting neem oil today. You up for it? Well, if saving money is your thing, then watch this video. Neem oil is an important ingredient in cosmetic shampoos, including pet shampoos for flea and tick control. Natural insect repellent, also known for its antiseptic, antiviral, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory uses. Don't you think it's time you put your garden to some advanced usage? Right? Fair? So let's begin this short video loaded with great tips also. Yes, please make sure you're subscribed. Well, the easiest method to extract neem oil would be from the leaves. Alternatively, you can use the bark, fruits, and stems. Rinse thoroughly to get rid of the dirt and other impurities. Now it's time to use the blender to make a thick paste. Use some water, but not too much. The lesser the water content, better your end product would be. So use water accordingly. Some kind of oil is needed as the carrier oil. So you have options to mix the fine paste with equal parts of either jojoba, grapeseed, coconut, or sesame oil. I'm using coconut oil. Use a coated pan to reduce the wastage and let the oil get warm for a few minutes. Now add the neem paste and make sure the heat is adjusted at low denomination. Keep stirring for next 15 minutes. Let the mixture sit for 2-3 hours so that the oil blends well with the neem paste essence. It's time we separate the residue from oil through simple filtration. Make sure you squeeze the contents well to get the maximum oil. So there you go, it was that simple, right? Now you can use it as an insecticide. 10 ml of neem oil extract in 1000 ml of water. So 10 to 1000 parts. You can store your eel, which is the neem oil, in an airtight plastic or glass bottle and use it for over a period of 4 months. I genuinely hope this video was worth your time. Thank you for being here. I'll see you again with another video. Until then, please stay healthy, take care, and yes, grow some more plants. Cheers, goodbye.